Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing well. My name is Daksh and in this video, I will tell you how to choose the best CNFT projects. There are a couple of variables that you need to keep in mind when choosing the best CNFTs. And the first one on my list is revealing who made the project is important. This is one of the most important aspects of NFTs that most people don't even talk about. And if you look at the most well-known and prestigious NFT projects in the CNFT space, you will notice that the people behind the project have revealed themselves and extensively taken part in order to promote their NFT project. Let us talk about Spacebuds. The most well-known NFT on Cardano was founded by Alessandro, the operator of Berry Pool and the creator of Nami Wallet. Or project like Claymates, which is ranked top in all-time sales, are created by two people, Lina and Issy. Both are based in Brazil. And just like that, if you look at trending NFTs in the CNFT space, whether it is Claymates, Spacebuds, Chillkong, or all the major CNFT projects, you will notice that the majority of them have a strong team of creators that promote their NFT project in the market with great enthusiasm. Now, I'm not saying that those who won't reveal themselves are bad people, but it has happened several times in the past, and I'm talking about 90 to 95% of the time that those who don't reveal themselves come with their projects in the market, sell it to us, take our money and leave. And they don't even hesitate to do that because their identity is not revealed. And so I think it is very important that when you look for a project, you have to know who the team members are, what their backgrounds are, what their future plans are. Moving forward to the second most important aspect, and it is design. Now what I think is design doesn't matter. Yes, you heard it right, and I will tell you why. I was following a project called Cardano waifus a few months ago, and these are some of the cool NFTs they have rolled out in their project. As you can see, they have an amazing animated design, and if you look at their Twitter and Discord, you will realize that it has a proper community, very good intentions, and an exciting vision. So when I read about it, I was very impressed, and later on, I checked it out on Twitter, joined the Discord, and I even purchased some of them in pre-sale. Now, when it first hit the market, I was very confident that this would become a major mainstream project or can become a good project, but I quickly realized that people aren't all that enthusiastic about it. And fast forward to today, right now it is ranked 166th in the table with an overall trading volume of only 15,000 ADA. And in its comparison, if you look at other NFT projects like this one, that is That Pixels, which is ranked at number 5th with a total ADA volume of 6 million, it is the first interactive NFT project on the Cardano blockchain consisting of 10,000 uniquely randomly generated NFTs. When you compare the design of two, you will notice that the Cardano waifu's design is much more sophisticated and nice, whereas Pixel's design is not as sophisticated. However, if you look at the stats of both, you can see that That Pixel continues to outperform Cardano waifus in almost all stats. So this is clear that design is not a final criteria to define an NFT. And there have been many NFTs in the past that have a flawed design, but they still are well-known brands in the market. Yes, design doesn't matter, but have you ever wondered why some poorly designed, not that much sophisticated looking NFT projects make it all the way to the top and thrive in the crypto space, while the others, despite having a great design, a proper community, very good intentions, and exciting vision, fall in this competitive market? Now, this brings us to the main feature of NFTs, which is utility. Utility means what can that NFT project deliver to us, and what are its short-term and what are the long-term use cases. And this is very, very important because let's say that someone is selling a picture of a monkey for $2,000, and let's assume this was in a universe where NFTs doesn't exist. Now tell me, who would buy this picture just for the art and the quality and the skills that created the picture? No one, right? It is important to understand that, like many others, you too are looking at NFTs only as an art, but that's not the case. Let's take Metaverse for example. Now, it is a possibility that we are on the verge of revolution, and anytime soon we will shift from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0, and when it happens, the first thing that will happen is that the metaverse concept will become a reality, and with its inception, the utility of NFTs will start to unfold. Now imagine picking up a sword in a game and still owning it when version 10 of the game comes out. or carrying it across games on different chains. Or let's say you want some casino cards and those cards were recorded on the blockchain so no one can steal your chips and you don't have to worry about leaving them on table. These type of things will become possible in the future only because of NFTs, and it is just one use case. NFTs can be used at property deeds, tickets, prescriptions, and a lot more. So when you do research, this is very important that you should be looking for what is the purpose of the project. And I mean the real purpose, not the money and not the hype, but the actual purpose and use of it that gives value to the NFT project. So when you look for NFTs, you should consider the following questions. Like, what are the plans, both short term and long term? What is their utility? What is their roadmap? And how they intend to achieve it? And now this brings us to the next most important aspect of NFTs, which is the stage of project. When buying an NFT from any marketplaces. Now I'm not talking about minting, but I'm talking about buying it from marketplaces. Now here, knowing the stage of the NFT project is very important. Like, this is the marketplace of CNFTs, as you can see, and it has a long list of NFTs which is currently listed on the CNFT space. And every day, new NFTs are coming into the market with new and innovative ideas. But it is a fact that 99% of them fails in the initial stages. So it is very important that before making any move, you should check a few things about the project, like what did the project do in the past, what is it doing right now, and what are its future plans. Because all of these factors will determine what this project will do in the future and how much you can benefit from it. Let's say the project in which you are investing is in the early stages, but the price of the project is very high. Or let us say the project promised a lot of things earlier but haven't delivered anything till now. Then what's the point of investing in these kind of projects? So before investing, you should check the stage of the project and only then invest. So these are a few points that you should consider before investing in a CNFT. And this is how you can select the best CNFTs for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.